Trumpet vines are fast-growing perennial plants that grow vertically up trees, buildings, and other structures. Many gardeners cultivate this plant, but they can overtake and choke out desired foliage, create cracks in brick or cement, and prevent soil from absorbing water. Additionally, direct contact can cause skin redness or swelling. In this video, we'll go over how to identify trumpet vines, how to get rid of trumpet vines in areas they don't belong in, and how to prevent trumpet vines from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Trumpet vines, like all other vines, grow from woody trunks. You can easily spot them once they've produced flowers. The flowers grow narrow and trumpet-like, up to 3 inches in length with shades of yellow, orange, and red, and 5 lobes. When growing up a structure, the vines can reach heights of up to 40 feet. The leaves grow in a compound arrangement, are dark to bright green, and are ovate-shaped with serrated margins and pointed tips. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Trumpet vines flower from June to September. They can grow in wet or dry soils that are exposed to full or partial sunlight. Trumpet vines grow from many types of soil, but are commonly found growing from clay, loam, and sand. Common sites where trumpet vines are a problem include forests, the sides of buildings, fences, poles, trellises, and over other plants. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of trumpet vines that are established on your property, you'll need to mix and apply a post-emergent herbicide that includes trumpet vine in its label. Read your product's label thoroughly to learn what other plants it may also affect. Products containing active ingredients like glyphosate, triclopyr, or dicamba are shown to be effective for trumpet vine control. In the southern United States, where most lawns have warm season turf, we recommend you use Fahrenheit Herbicide. Fahrenheit is a selective herbicide that can be applied to control weeds without harming southern turf grasses. For spot applications with Fahrenheit, mix and apply the product's labeled rate of 0.2 ounces into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. In areas where you have cool season turf, or if your trumpet vines are growing vertically along concrete surfaces away from your desired plants, consider a product like Eraser 41% Glyphosate. Keep in mind that Eraser is a non-selective herbicide that will treat any plant it is applied to or may drift to. If you're using Eraser, mix 2.5 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of water to treat every 300 square feet. If trumpet vines are growing up a pole, fence, or tree trunk, it's best to cut the vine to a length of 3 to 4 feet and spray the remaining foliage. If trumpet vines are growing on low shrubbery, cut the plant at its base close to the soil surface and spray regrowth to avoid wetting the shrubs. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. After applying Eraser, you should see results within 2 to 4 days, but a second application may be made after 4 weeks. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've controlled trumpet vines on your property, look out for further blooming. Cutting vines after flowers have formed can stop them from producing seeds and spreading. Consistently rake and clean off debris from your lawn, as trumpet vines can regrow from fragments of roots and leftover material. Completely remove the stumps of dead trumpet vines from the ground until the roots are exposed. And finally, mow your grass at regular intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass can better choke out weeds and prevent them from establishing. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can remove unwanted trumpet vines from your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.